guys, and welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're playing facility. Vivian, Sparkling Girl 45, Werewolf 4082, and Aiden her 121213. The reason I acted like a noob in the recent video is because me and Vivian, before she went home, we did a switcheroo. We switched electronics. Now let's get into the round. Oh my gosh, I'm beast. I'm the first one. Oh, Vivian's gonna be AFK. I'm gonna look for you all. No, I can't share anyone.
What?
What? Okay, I think I saw. Oh, hey, girl. Okay, this girl is AFK. This girl is AFK. Come here, dude, girl. Let's go in the middle. Let's go in the worst place to camp in the world. Well, even though I'm not even gonna camp. Someone messed up. No! Come back here. Okay. No! Okay, where did you go? Where did you go? Hey! Rude. Oh, someone already saved her. I wonder who did. I wonder who did, boy. Boy, come here. You look so special today. Yay. I'm happy I got someone again. Now let's go, boy. Yay, I'm so happy that I can jump. Well, I don't need to worry about it yet. Okay, now I do. Room! Ah! Dang it! Okay. This girl needs to die. So does this boy. Okay, let's see. Where do I put this boy? Hey! No, 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 no! The girl is dead! Pat. Yeah! Yes. I'm not even targeting. I'm getting hurt. Oh, well, we rip Aiden because Vivian is AFK. So Vivian's AFK. Rip werewolf. Now shut that door. Let's get you. Okay. Wait a second. Where did you go? Oh! No! That boy is almost dead. Where did you go? No. Where did you go? Oh, well. Now let's go find Vivian. Now let's go find Vivian. Let me get up. Okay, there you go. Why do you want to be AFK? Where is she? Why do you even watch them? Oh my gosh, stop going crazy. Hey! Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my god. Oh! My gosh. Vivian's AFK and I don't know where she is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where could this woman be? Not yet. Do you want to still be in the video? Okay. So, the demon, okay. This is taking forever. I can't even find Vivian! I might have missed her somewhere. She was in the middle this whole time? Come on! Okay, finally. Yay! Okay, we play one more round, okay? Ah, okay, guys, I'll see you in the next round. What's going on outside? V is not beast. Okay, the beast is aiding her. Okay, where are you? I'm in the pink room. No, 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 no. Go, Hackery. Oh, in the barn. Oh my gosh, it's getting laggy. Okay, there you go. Now I can move. He's here. They're teaming. Okay, go down. We go down. We go from that one window thing. V. Over here. Okay.
The spell's still going. You won't know if your bridge works until you step on it. Step on what? If you believe the bridge is there, then it's there. But it's not.
Okay.
Not that attitude. I'm not gonna step out on nothing. Now we got a rope. You're not even gonna need it. I want the rope. Okay, I'm just saying you're not gonna need the rope. I know you can make that bridge.
Okay. Finish the computer. Okay.
Okay, you go. Is that so bad? Yes. Are you still alive? Yes. Okay, so now you know the worst that can happen, so there's nothing to be scared of, right?
Oh my gosh.
You can do this.
Hack. Okay. There may be one. Okay. Because she's hacking one, we just need one. Nope, not here. In the roof. Oh gosh. Hack. Okay, let's go.
What's the rope? Oh, just a second. You really thought right. Oh, what did you?
Escape. Vivian's AFK. It's not like we're gonna be able. Oh my gosh, it was so quiet. That's because of your focusing.
Follow where the raven is pointing.
Vivian escape. Oh well, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. She may escape and she may not. Probably yes, because when she comes back. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.